everybody, and this is just going to be a quick demonstration on setting the system to work. So firstly, we need to agree what our power source is going to be. If we're using the internal battery, we're going to select the position 1 on the battery switch, or if we're using external supply from the boat, we'll connect in our external supply and we will select position 2. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're just going to use the internal battery for it. So upon flicking this switch on, our voltage gauge will come on, giving us an indication of the current battery voltage. We're reading 13.2 there at the moment. Next thing we're going to do is remove the cover from the actual display itself. Before powering on this display, it's important that we connect in the transducer first. The transducer is connected in down here, so it doesn't have to be over tightened. There's a little notch that you just find and it sits in, and from there we can thread the system home. So once we have the transducer connected in, the system will boot up. Please note that if you don't have the transducer connected up before booting up the system, it operates as just a chart display and you're going to have to power down the system again and connect back in the transducer. So at this stage, we can hold down the power button on the display itself. It takes a few seconds to boot up, but once it does boot up, we wait for a GPS lock and we have full mapping and recording capabilities at that stage once we get our GPS lock. If you're operating in the same area regularly, the GPS lock should take about 30-40 seconds. It may take up to 2 to 3 minutes if it's the first time being turned on in a specific area, okay?